Welcome to our woodworking channel. Discover the artistry and craftsmanship behind beautiful handmade furniture and wood crafts. Join us to explore tips, techniques, and inspiring projects. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative woodworking content and stay updated with our latest videos. Happy crafting! To make your garden inviting during cooler evenings. Fall garden decor helps you embrace the changing season while preparing your garden. Starting your woodworking journey can be exciting, but understanding measurement and dimensions is crucial for creating precise and professional projects. As a beginner, mastering basic measurement techniques will ensure your cuts are accurate, your pieces fit together perfectly, and your final product looks polished. Woodworking measurements involve understanding various units such as inches, centimeters, and millimeters, depending on your location and project requirements. Familiarizing yourself with these units and how to use measuring tools accurately is the first step towards successful woodworking. Whether you're building furniture, shelves, or decorative items, precise measurements prevent mistakes and material waste. This guide will introduce you to essential measurement concepts, tools, and tips for beginners to develop confidence and skill in measuring wood correctly. In woodworking, understanding measurement units is fundamental. The most commonly used units are inches and feet in the United States, while centimeters and millimeters are prevalent in many other countries. Inches are divided into fractions, often halves, quarters, eighths, and sixteenths, which make precise measurements possible. For example, a quarter inch, 1/4, is a common measurement for cutting and fitting pieces. In metric systems, centimeters and millimeters provide a straightforward way to measure dimensions accurately. When working with plans or drawings, always note the units used to avoid confusion. Using the right measuring tools that match your units ensures accuracy. For beginners, it's essential to be comfortable converting between units if needed. Understanding these units helps you interpret plans properly, measure your wood accurately, and achieve precision in every cut. Having the right tools is vital for accurate measurements in woodworking. The most fundamental measuring tools include a tape measure, a combination square, a tri-square, and a ruler or straightedge. A tape measure is flexible, making it ideal for measuring longer lengths, such as furniture or large panels. A combination square helps measure and mark right angles and can also be used for checking the flatness of surfaces. A tri-square is perfect for marking and verifying 90-degree angles on smaller pieces. A ruler or straightedge provides a steady guide for marking straight lines across your wood. For more precise measurements, many beginners also use a caliper, which measures internal and external dimensions with high accuracy. Always ensure your tools are well maintained, free of damage, and properly calibrated. Accurate measurement and marking are essential skills for beginners to produce quality woodworking projects. Start by selecting the appropriate measuring tool for your task. When measuring, always extend the tape or ruler fully for the most accurate reading, and avoid bending or twisting the measuring tape. When marking your wood, use a sharp pencil or marking knife to create clear, precise lines. For straight cuts, use a straightedge or a combination square to guide your pencil line. Double-check your measurements before making any cuts. Measure twice. Cut once is a fundamental rule in woodworking. To ensure perfect accuracy, mark the measurement with a small line and then extend your line across the wood, ensuring it's straight and visible. For angled cuts, use a protractor or miter gauge. Always work on a flat, stable surface to prevent errors. Achieving clean, Accurate cuts begins with precise measurement. Always measure twice before cutting. This simple rule can prevent costly mistakes. When marking for cuts, use a sharp pencil or marking knife for clear lines, and extend the line fully across the wood's surface. For straight cuts, use a guide such as a straight edge or a cutting guide to keep your saw blade aligned. Clamping your wood securely ensures stability during cutting, preventing slips that could ruin your measurements. When using power saws, double-check your settings for the correct depth and angle based on your measurements. Take your time and don't rush. Patience leads to better results. Beginners often make common measurement mistakes that can impact the final quality of their projects. One frequent error is misreading measurements. Always double-check your markings and use the correct units. Another mistake is not accounting for the saw blade's kerf width, which leads to pieces that are too short or misaligned. Rushing through measurements without verifying can cause inaccuracies. Take your time for precision. Using dull or damaged measuring tools can also produce errors. Regularly inspect and calibrate your tools. Additionally, neglecting to measure from the correct reference point or not marking clearly can lead to mistakes. To avoid these pitfalls, develop a habit of measuring twice, marking carefully, and double-checking before cutting. Practice patience and attention to detail to improve your accuracy. Practice makes perfect. Start with small projects and gradually take on more complex designs. Watch online tutorials, join woodworking forums, and learn from experienced woodworkers. Keep practicing basic cuts and joinery techniques. Over time, your skills will improve, and your projects will become more refined. Don't be discouraged by mistakes. Use them as learning opportunities to grow as a woodworker.